저 높고 푸른 창공에 우리의 꿈이 날고 있습니다. 현실로 이룬 카이의 꿈이 힘차게 비상합니다. 카이가 만들어가는 새로운 하늘, 또 다른 미래, 가슴 벅찬 새로운 감동을 카이가 준비합니다. 첨단 기술과 경제적, 기술적 파급 효과로 인해 국가 경쟁력을 좌우하는 성장 동력으로 부상하고 있는 항공우주 산업. 항공우주 산업의 중심에 카이가 있습니다. 항공기의 설계에서부터 최종 조립에 이르기까지 대한민국 유일의 항공기 체계 종합 전문 기업 카이. 독자 모델 항공기로 개발된 기본 훈련기 KT-1은 공군의 전투기 조종사 양성 임무를 성공적으로 수행하며 항공기의 수출 시대를 열어가고 있습니다. 세계 최고 성능을 지닌 초음속 구동 훈련기 TO-50 골든 이글은 탁월한 기술 경쟁력을 갖추고 있어 지속적으로 수요 증가와 함께 21세기 세계 시장 선점을 기대하고 있습니다. 이외에도 공군의 주력 전투기인 KF-16 전투기와 국내 독자 개발한 무인 항공기 사업을 성공적으로 수행하였으며 한반도 지형에 적합한 육군의 차세대 헬기 개발 사업, 군용 민수용 헬기를 포함한 항공기의 수명 연장과 성능 개량 사업을 수행하고 있습니다. 그리고 대형 민항기의 기체 구조물과 F-15K, 아파치 헬리콥터의 동체 등을 생산하여 납품하고 있습니다. 민항기 국제 공동 개발 사업과 미성 사업, 방산전자 사업에도 참여하고 있습니다. 차근차근 준비하고 하나하나 이루어가는 꿈을 향한 카이의 열정. 더 멀리, 더 높이, 세계로, 미래로 카이가 더 큰 꿈을 펼쳐갑니다. 항공우주 분야의 독자 개발 능력을 확보하고 국제 경쟁력을 높이기 위한 카이의 끊임없는 노력. 세계 초우량 항공우주 기업을 향한 카이의 변화는 이미 시작되었습니다. 카이는 설계에서부터 시험평가에 이르는 항공기 개발의 모든 과정을 독자적으로 수행할 수 있는 지금의 능력에 만족하지 않고 카이의 기술로 만든 세계 최고 성능의 항공기가 지구촌의 모든 하늘을 비상하는 큰 꿈을 이루기 위해 도전과 혁신을 멈추지 않습니다. 2010년 세계 10위권 항공우주 기업으로 성장하여 마침내 우리의 기술로 한국형 전투기 개발을 실현할 카이. 카이는 꿈을 현실로 이룰 큰 힘을 가지고 있습니다. 카이가 세계 항공산업의 중심이 됩니다. 상공을 향한 인간의 꿈을 실현하고 인류의 미래를 보다 풍요롭게 만들어갈 그 이름. 세상을 바꾸고 미래를 바꿀 꿈의 기술을 카이가 만들어갑니다.
My name is Mike Griswold with Lockheed Martin Aeronautics. I'm here at the Dubai Air Show representing the T-50 Advanced Jet Trainer. There's a lot of interest in the region for new trainers, particularly with the introduction of advanced fourth-generation aircraft and also the possibility of fifth-generation aircraft being flown by regional air forces. They need a new trainer in order to adequately prepare their pilots for those advanced aircraft. What the T-50 brings is the ability to train both the very low end of the pilots that are just coming into the advanced jet trainer, as well as to be able to prepare them adequately for the high-performance jet aircraft. T-50 aircraft today is configured to look very close to an F-16. As F-35s start becoming more predominant in air forces, we have the ability to adapt the T-50 to more closely mimic the cockpit of an F-35 for that true fifth-generation training.
늦게 가네. 아지르는 장난. 얘는 금방 패치합니다. 얘는 패치되는 거
Performance of supersonic fighter. State-of-the-art avionics. Multi-role. Now, your air becomes much stronger. Fighting Eagle FA-50. T-50 Golden Eagle, the optimal advanced jet trainer to train 21st century fighter pilots. Based on T-50, KAI has developed aerobatic T-50B and lead-in fighter trainer TA-50. FA-50 is a powerful multi-purpose combat aircraft born from extending the tactic capability of TA-50. FA-50 has maximum power of 17,700 pounds and maximum takeoff weight of 27,300 pounds with its GEF 404-102 engine and its full length of 43.1 feet. Full width, 31 feet. Full height, 15.9 feet. And wing area, 255 square feet. FA-50, based on T-50, is capable of loading armament and radar to enhance the combat capability. And it's an advanced jet trainer optimized for training the next generation fighter pilots. Capable of simultaneous tracking of 2 targets, and has wide detection area with its high-resolution map application. And it also has excellent air-to-ground attack capability. It has excellent viability with installed radar warning receiver and countermeasures dispenser system that are applied to the cutting-edge fighter. By sharing a real-time battlefield information with air and army forces with its tactics data link capability, close joint operation capability, and mission success rate are very high. With its night vision equipment, it enhanced night tactics attack mission capability. It has precise and threatening offense power to burn enemy aircraft and a camp to the ground with the basic weapons such as air-to-air, air-to-ground missile, and automatic cannon, but also with the precise guide missile such as joint direct attack munition. FA-50, a strong fighter and state-of-the-art trainer, will guard your air solidly.
they will do a fine break. There you go. Landing. How about a round of applause for S-211 aircraft?
We're glad we're finally back to supersonic age.
T-50 was developed in cooperation with Lockheed Martin, and currently we're trying to sell this aircraft to the international customers. It can reach Mach 1.5, it has great avionics, state-of-the-art visualized design. Our final goal is to capture the US Air Force's TX program.
TO-10 같은 경우는 상당히 많은 항전 장비들 그리고 국산 항공기라 그런지 또 만지는 데 자부심이 느껴지는 그런 부분이 있습니다. 대한민국 누구나한테 물어봐도 그런 대답이 나올 거라.
We're so really good to be here in the UK and hope that everyone can enjoy the show.
I'm Mike Griswold with Lockheed Martin Aeronautics, and we're here at the Singapore Air Show, which is the largest air show in Asia, representing the T-50 aircraft, multi-role trainer. We're partnered with Korean Aerospace, a longtime industry partner of Lockheed Martin. We co-developed the T-50 aircraft explicitly to perform the role that we're now representing for advanced jet training. The Korean Air Force has fully integrated the T-50 into their training program, replacing the T-38s that they used previously. In addition, showing the versatility of the T-50 platform, they're incorporating it into a light combat role within the Korean Air Force. Again, it exemplifies the versatility of the T-50 platform. The Korean Air Force uses the T-50 as their aerial demonstration aircraft in a outstanding program, which they call the Black Eagles. The Black Eagles are performing here at the Singapore Air Show and clearly are the star of the show. There's a lot of demand for new trainers in the world today as the training requirements are elevated with fifth-gen aircraft coming online. T-50 has already had good success in the market with a recently completed program with Indonesia and a new program that was just announced selling T-50 trainer aircraft to Iraq. Now, I think we're so excited at Lockheed to be working with Korean Aerospace on T-50. We think it's the right trainer for the U.S. Air Force market as well as air forces around the world.
Korea struck a deal on Friday to export 12 FA-50 fighter jets to the Philippines for $420 million. The FA-50, a variant of the T-50 Golden Eagle supersonic trainer, is built by Korea Aerospace Industries. Under the terms of the government-to-government deal, KAI will deliver the jets to Manila in the next 38 months. It follows similar contracts with Iraq last year and Indonesia in 2011. KAI also has its sights set on selling the FA-50 to Peru, Botswana, and the United Arab Emirates. The contract comes after President Park Geun-hye and Philippine President Benigno Aquino signed a memorandum of understanding on expanding the defense cooperation back in October.
Torre Manaus, Guardião 70. Iniciando decolagem no momento. Guardião 70, Manaus ciente. Vento de 270 graus com 10 nós. Após a decolagem, curva direita. Detecte imediatamente a radial 330. Guardião 70, Centro Amazônico, câmbio. Centro Amazônico, Guardião 70. Prossiga. Confirme se está pronto para a missão. Afirmativo. Estamos prontos e com o agente Marcos Rocha a bordo para a missão. Então, alguma atividade em comum?
Negativo.
Continue procurando.
Detectamos um intruso no setor norte.
Isso aqui?
Isso.
Já confirmou com o controle da Amazônia se esse tráfego é conhecido? Deixa que eu falo com eles. Aeronave desconhecida voando na proa de Manaus, 600 milhas ao norte. Você está entrando no espaço aéreo brasileiro. Adicione transponder. Aeronave desconhecida, você está entrando no espaço aéreo brasileiro sem plano de voo. Faça contato agora com Manaus. Frequência 1, 2, 1, decimal 1, 5, câmbio. Tá ok, tá ok. Eles não respondem, esse tráfego não é conhecido. Confirme essa rota pra mim e checa se é Manaus.
Afirmativo.
Droga. Peça pra acionar o alerta.
Acione o alerta.
Escorpião Negro, temos uma aeronave desconhecida na proa de Manaus. Nível 050, voando a 160 nós, sem autorização de voo.
Torre Manaus, Escorpião Negro, acionando os motores.
Ok, livre táxi. Escorpião Negro, decolagem 10 e 15. Após a decolagem, curva direita em contato direto com a defesa aérea. na proa 150, nível de voo 050, velocidade 160, para interceptação, curva direita agora para a proa 040. Aeronave desconhecida, você está em espaço aéreo brasileiro sem autorização. Acione código transponder 6750. Droga, são eles, só pode ser.
Escorpião Negro, visual da aeronave intrusa. Instruções.
Ok, Escorpião Negro, aguarde posição discreta. Estamos tentando contato rápido com a aeronave.
Marcos, tá me ouvindo, Marcos?
Marcos, não escuta, fala.
As fotos de Xavier chegaram hoje. Elas estão aqui comigo, estão aqui na minha frente. Meu amigo, nós temos um baita problema em nossas mãos. As bombas são reais.
Afirmativo.
É exatamente o que Xavier havia nos informado. São armas de destruição em massa.
Sim, eu sei. De qual dimensão?
São bombas atômicas, Marcos. Hector Gasca comprou bombas atômicas. Eu vou passar pra você todas essas fotos e vou fazer um relatório pra nossa diretora, ok?
Faça isso imediatamente, Daniel. Ela precisa falar com o presidente agora.
Muito cuidado, parceiro. Boa sorte.
Escorpião Negro, faça contato agora com o Guardião 70 para continuar a interceptação. Atenção, Super Tucano. Aproximar da aeronave intrusa e tirar fotos. Repetindo, aproximar da aeronave intrusa e tirar fotos. Afirmativo. Papa Tango, Kilo, Índia Lima, você está sendo interceptado pela Força Aérea Brasileira. Responda na frequência 121 no decimal 5, câmbio. Papa Tango, Kilo, Índia Lima, confirme seu destino e local onde preencheu o plano de voo. Atenção, pilotos do Super Tucano. Quem fala é o agente de operações Marcos Rocha. Prossiga. Senhores, a BIM tem informações precisas que essa aeronave que os senhores interceptaram agora leva pelo menos um artefato nuclear em direção a Manaus. Se esse piloto não seguir o procedimento e pousar, imediatamente os senhores terão que abater essa aeronave. Copiado? Somente o presidente tem autorização para o tiro de destruição. O presidente não vai receber essas informações a tempo. A gente tem que evitar que essa aeronave se aproxime de Manaus. Escorpião Negro retornando à base. Aeronave desacreditada, la Defensa Aérea Brasileira ordena que usted mude su rota y puede obligatoriamente incacual. No, en la izquierda, para la proa 050 ahora.
Landing gear.
Lançamos lá 4 bombas, 2 impactaram realmente lá sobre o objetivo, abrindo 2 crateras com mais de 10 metros de diâmetro. Então realmente interditamos a pista e podemos garantir que aquela pista lá ninguém mais pousa nem decola. Está interditada e estamos dessa forma aí contribuindo para o nosso plano estratégico de fronteira.
agindo aí contra esses atos ilícitos.
É importante que a gente aproveite essas características da aeronave A-29 Super Tucano, uma aeronave de fabricação nacional, que alia essa grande precisão, tanto na navegação quanto no emprego de armamento, com um relativo baixo custo de operação. Então, para as necessidades da Operação Ágata, a aeronave A-29 Super Tucano se encaixa perfeitamente aí para o cumprimento da missão.
O impacto no centro da pista, danos severos. Confirme copiado. Afirmativo.
The A-29 Super Tucano is a great aircraft for the light air support mission. From the ground up, it was built as a combat aircraft. Strong gear and strong Goodyear tires. Extremely strong fuselage, empennage, and wings. Well joined. Even the canopy is exceedingly strong. Martin Baker seats, Pratt & Whitney engine, Hartzell prop, a super aircraft with a great capability. Inside the cockpit, you'll find the most modern MFDs, a HUD, repetition to the forward cockpit and the rearward cockpit for train or combat, integration with the FLIR Bright Star 2 ball, and 133 certified weapons loads that have already been proven on the Tucano. When you compare it to an AT-6, you're comparing a proven light attack aircraft to a prototype modified trainer. There really is no comparison in the strength and the proof of these aircraft.
Okay, he's on fire, he's on fire, he's going in, he's going in. He's down, he's down. Okay, blanco de arriba, blanco de arriba. Okay, ready, box and hold, weapon away. Hammer down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, release, release. Light is firing on target. $14 seconds to impact. Good TTI. Light is firing on target. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Splash. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pickles down. Pickles down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Weapon away. Pickles. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Starting to push over. Yeah, 23, 19. That looks good. 15 seconds to impact. Okay. 10, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, splash. Good hit. Compass 10 seconds, pickle down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, one runway.
Making its public debut at the Paris Air Show 2013 was the US-based IMAX with their Archangel attack and surveillance turboprop aircraft. IMAX have developed the Archangel border patrol aircraft based on the Thrust 710 platform, integrating electro-optics and weapons to provide a reliable and capable multi-mission aircraft. IHS James spoke to IMAX Chief Technology Officer Jim Toole.
This is our IOMAX Archangel aircraft, designed for long-endurance surveillance, up to 8 hours in an ISR mode. We can weaponize this platform with laser-guided bombs, Hellfires, laser-guided rockets. It's intended to stay aloft for extended periods of time with a crew of 2 to provide surveillance and the ability to make decisions in the air. Real-time data link to the ground and all through SATCOM provide the means by which you can send that data to ground forces for cooperative engagement and also to be able to get back to command and control.
Special mission equipment for the Archangel includes an electro-optic, infrared, laser rangefinder, laser designator sensor turret, communications and signals intelligence system package, synthetic aperture and moving target radar, as well as line of sight and beyond line of sight voice communications. IMAX is currently in qualification of the Turkish-based Roketsan laser-guided Sirit missile system for the Archangel. The first integration test firing occurred in mid-February 2013, and qualification is scheduled for completion by October. The other weapon systems mentioned have already been qualified for the aircraft. Performance trials are still underway, but it has been suggested that the Archangel, speed of 200 knots and exceed 4 hours endurance with a full weapons load or 10 hours on station in the I-STAR mission.
IOMAX was established in 2001. Headquartered in Mooresville, North Carolina, IOMAX operates by our corporate vision to be recognized and respected by U.S. and foreign governments as a reliable supplier of innovative solutions addressing extremely challenging domestic and foreign security issues. The foundation upon which IOMAX has relied to successfully provide functional, state-of-the-art solutions to the warfighter is found in its ability to effectively and rapidly assess emerging technology. IOMAX was the first commercial company to deploy and operate wireless GSM cellular exploitation equipment in the field, and first to introduce portable GSM wireless exploitation equipment into the U.S. market. Today, IOMAX USA is a full-spectrum provider for signals intelligence and airborne system solutions, serving customers across the globe. Our triangle of excellence includes a proficient field support division, a full-service professional training division, and a world-class aircraft division, with decades of aerospace experience providing solutions for aircraft, ISR, and weapon systems. Deploying, operating, and supporting sophisticated technology into any environment is a critical cornerstone in IOMAX's solution offerings to the end user. Some of our accomplishments to date include providing direct worldwide support of USG counter-drug and terrorist operations, and fielding the first tactical network-based GPRS edge tagging, tracking, and location systems. The IOMAX Aircraft Division is a full-service aircraft organization providing engineering, aircraft systems, and weapons integration services in accordance with customer-specific requirements. We provide custom ISR, fire control, and weapon system integration on manned aircraft like the Border Patrol aircraft, or BPA. With the BPA, IOMAX transformed a production agricultural spray plane into a long-endurance ISR and precision-guided weapon delivery platform. Our aircraft system solutions are tailored for customer requirements and rapidly brought to reality with IOMAX's demonstrated quick reaction capability. IOMAX delivers the entire system solution, including the aircraft, aircraft systems, weapons, air and ground crew training, maintenance, and logistics. It is understood every successful operation starts with solid training. The IOMAX Training Division provides creative curriculum and training options for our customers. Several examples of our diverse capabilities include new equipment training, aircraft pilot transition training, signal intelligence training, comprehensive aircraft systems training, and ordnance training solutions for our clients. IOMAX offers numerous training options to include self-paced interactive computer-based training, as well as professional platform and hands-on instruction. IOMAX employs a training staff composed of experienced professionals recruited from former military and special operations forces, as well as individuals drawn from the commercial business and communications sector. Our vision. We will be recognized and respected by U.S. and foreign governments as a reliable supplier of innovative solutions for extremely challenging domestic and foreign security issues. Our mission. To enhance our nation's security by integrating and applying current technology and also developing advanced technology solutions for U.S. government and approved foreign governments. Our values. Innovation. Rapidly providing knowledge-based solutions through innovative technical solutions. Accountability. Delivering quality results to both our internal and external customers on time, every time. Teamwork. Based on respect for and loyalty to our teammates, both fellow employees and business partners. Integrity. Solidly founded in honesty and trust. IOMAX, promoting national security and interoperability with U.S. allies.
I'm Joel Hampton, instructor pilot here with IOMAX at the Paris Air Show. Today we're debuting the brand new Archangel that IOMAX has put together. This airplane is based on a S2R Turbo 660 Thrush, and it brings together all of the stuff that we learned in IOMAX's previous airplane that they had predecessor that they've been flying in the Middle East for the last 2 years. So all that stuff that I learned teaching brand new students over there, we've made improvements on this airplane with the addition of all the stuff that I learned in 3,000 hours of flying the A-10. We're trying to bring all of that right here into one package. This aircraft is ISR aircraft, but it also has ability to go kinetic. We can carry lots of bombs, lots of munitions. We've got 10 hours of loiter time in this airplane to track, identify, make sure we're on the right target, and then if need be, we've got an array of munitions that we can use on that target. The big thing that I would point out about this airplane that I didn't see in some of the other aircraft that I've flown is this one is very tough. This airplane, the places that we take it every day, coming into some very short strips, places that have big potholes on them, lots of rocks, dry lake beds, things like that, are places that you wouldn't dream of taking another airplane. This airplane is special in the fact that you can beat it up all day and it just keeps working. I kind of call it the Kalashnikov of airplanes. You can beat it up, you can throw it in the mud, and it never jams. You have two pilots, the pilot up front, and he's got a Wizzo back in the back. The Wizzo's primary duty is running the MX-15 targeting pod that we have on this airplane, and the pilot drives the airplane and navigates around. And then once the WISO has finally determined that we are on the correct target, relays that information to the front. The pilot can then use a new HUD that we have in the airplane, and then the pilot will be the one that pickles the bomb. The other things that I would like to point out about this airplane is it is easy to employ and it's easy to fly. With that addition of the HUD that we have up there, from some of the airplanes that we had before, it took 8 to 9 button pushes from laser designation of the target to actually pickling on it. This one takes 1. We can target 2 ways, one with grids coming from JTACs, but we can also target using nothing but our eyeball with this airplane. And then finally, this thing, it does not take long to get very confident or comfortable in this airplane. It's an easy airplane to fly.
Leading the global trend to more mobile, more lethal mortars, Sultan Systems presents the Cardome, a unique self-propelled 120mm recoil mortar system. Already in service, the highly mobile Cardome is a force multiplier for the field commander, delivering superior lethality and survivability to today's frontline forces. Integrating latest C4 technologies, the Cardome's rapid fire and pinpoint accuracy make it the essential organic close-fire support weapon for the modern army. Designed for the digital battlefield, the Cardome integrates into the battle management system, receiving target data from forward observers or other sensors. The Cardome's onboard ballistic computer, state-of-the-art navigation and aiming devices, and auto-laying 120mm recoil mortar combine to provide maximum firepower. Together, the Cardome system closes the sensor to shooter to target firing loop with fastest response time in the field and rapid shoot and scoop capability. Operated by a driver and 3-man crew, the Cardome's advanced pocket artillery system delivers a rapid fire burst of 16 rounds per minute and reaches an extended range of up to 9,000 meters. With automatic laying through 360 degrees, the Cardome can swiftly exploit targets of opportunity without needing to move the vehicle. And with fully synchronized MRSI, the rounds rain down on targets with pinpoint accuracy for maximum effect. In service in the US, Middle East, Africa, and elsewhere, the Cardome offers the ultimate in system versatility. Highly scalable, the Cardome can be operated either manually or fully automated as part of the integrated fire control system. Thanks to its soft recoil, the Cardome can be deployed on a wide range of existing platforms, wheeled and tracked armored fighting vehicles, and 4x4 light vehicles. And the typical armored mortar carrier can hold as much as 70 rounds of 120mm NATO standard or US qualified ammunition. With an innocent APC profile, perfect for peacekeeping missions, the Cardome is equally effective in low-intensity conflicts, as it is during full battle operations. For versatility in field or urban combat, the crew can easily and swiftly redeploy the Cardome's barrel for use in mounted and dismounted missions. With either smooth or rifled barrel, the Cardome is also available in an 81mm version for mission flexibility and greatly reduced training costs. Thanks to its feature-rich functionality, the Cardome is the only recoil mortar system type classified by the U.S. Army, Israel Defense Force, and other leading armies. For more than 5 decades, Soltam Artillery System House has been supplying battle-proven weapon solutions to the world's armed forces. Renowned for its capabilities in development, manufacturing, and stringent testing of both artillery and ammunition, Soltam is currently producing significant quantities of Cardome systems every month, with hundreds of back orders. Part of the larger Soltam Group, leading providers of highly integrated land force defense solutions, Soltam Systems' innovation, proven experience, and global presence all stand firmly behind the Cardome. The Cardome, a unique 120mm recoil mortar system that meets all the modern battlefield requirements.